If you have been debating an upgrade for your aerial kit, you might want to tap the brakes. The upcoming DJI Air 4 is shaping up to rewrite the rules for mid-range prosumer drones. Driven by recent compliance database sightings, early prototype leaks, and supply chain chatter, the Air 4 is tracking toward a late 2026 launch window. The headliner here is the camera array. Industry insiders report that DJI has been testing a dual 1-inch CMOS sensor configuration, marking a massive jump in low-light handling and dynamic range over past models. Whether it implements dual large sensors or pairs a 1-inch main shooter with a dedicated telephoto secondary lens, creators can expect seamless lens switching without sacrificing resolution or detail. Exceptional hardware means little without the software processing pipeline to back it up, and DJI is reportedly bringing major cinematic enhancements to the table. Anticipated video upgrades point to cleaner low-light footage, sharper high dynamic range, HDR, profiles, and refined color science designed to match heavier cinema rigs. Safety also gets a modern overhaul via an upgraded omnidirectional sensing array, potentially integrating advanced LiDAR assistance to boost low-light obstacle detection during dawn or dusk shoots. Aerodynamic refinements and cell density improvements are expected to push flight times into the 38 to 40-minute bracket, giving pilots ample breathing room on complex narrative or landscape shoots. Is DJI attempting the impossible by packing massive dual 1-inch sensors into an ultra-portable frame, or will regulatory targets shift the final design? Connectivity should benefit from rolling out the newer O4 Plus or advanced transmission frameworks, offering robust, low-latency feeds even through urban interference. Intriguingly, conflicting regulatory leaks point to two paths. One prototype tracking toward a heavy-duty frame, and another whisper hinting at an aggressive sub, 500G or lower footprint to ease global travel restrictions. On pricing, expect the standard baseline package to hover between $899 and $999, while robust Fly More combos will likely stretch from $1,199 to $1,399, depending on the final optical hardware bundled inside. With regulatory compliance filings now accelerating overseas, the arrival of DJI's next mid-tier heavyweight is closer than ever. Most industry analysts look toward a Q4 2026 debut, September through November, though regional availability may face unique hurdles depending on local market regulations. If you currently fly an Air 3S, the jump might feel incremental unless you desperately need those larger optical sensors. But for creators stepping up from older generations, the Air 4 could be the ultimate sweet spot drone. While hardware specifications and dual sensor breakthroughs dominate enthusiast forums, navigating the modern drone market requires looking closely at an increasingly complex web of international trade restrictions and compliance hurdles. Recent supply chain logs highlight that while global markets anticipate an autumn rollout, regional availability, particularly within North America, faces mounting hurdles due to evolving regulatory frameworks and restricted certification lists. Consequently, buyers in certain regions may encounter delayed retail channels, heavier reliance on gray market importers, or tightened compliance enforcement that shifts how commercial and hobbyist pilots acquire next-generation aerial platforms. At the same time, compliance filings in Asian and European registries point toward heavy stress testing of automated frequency hopping protocols, ensuring the aircraft maintains rock-solid telemetry even in densely congested urban airspace. Ultimately, owning a cutting-edge piece of aerial hardware is only half the battle. Understanding how local aviation authorities classify and restrict these evolving tools will dictate how effectively creators can deploy them in the field. The true power of a modern aerial camera platform isn't just captured in the air. It is unlocked the moment your footage hits your editing suite. Industry leaks indicate that DJI is concurrently refining its companion mobile software ecosystem to streamline heavy data offloading, allowing seamless transfer of high bitrate multi-sensor files straight to portable tablets and editing phones. With larger optical sensors producing exponentially denser raw video formats, optimizing wireless proxy generation. Fast rendering cache systems has become a top priority for mobile creators on tight production deadlines. Furthermore, tighter integration with third-party grading tools and automated cloud backup protocols means filmmakers can quickly review complex HDR sequences in the field without waiting to unpack a desktop workstation. Ultimately, matching upgraded physical optics with a friction-free software pipeline ensures that capturing cinematic aerial shots remains an intuitive experience from takeoff to final export. Where do you stand? Would you prefer a lightweight, highly regulated friendly frame, or do you want maximum optical performance regardless of size? Drop your thoughts below, subscribe, and stay tuned for breaking coverage.